Hello guys, I am Jitendra Churasia. Welcome you to my channel, The Office Guys Tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to discuss 5 reasons why I don't use Microsoft Word to draw diagrams and figures for academic purpose. Before we move further, I would like to thank all of you for supporting my channel because we are about to hit 600 subscribers. I know the numbers are small, but we are moving. So without wasting any further time, let's jump to the tutorial. So the reason one here is you can connect the dots. Now with this, what I mean to say here is, let me take a new document. I'll press Ctrl N to take a new document in Microsoft Word. Let's say you are drawing a flowchart. So let me take a shape here. Let us begin with this. Next, I'll take another shape. So insert, shape. Let me take this shape. Now, for example, you want to connect the two shapes. So I'll take an arrow and I will try to connect this with this arrow. And let me change the arrow color to black and its weight to 3. Now what I mean to say, you can connect the dot here is, let's say tomorrow you need to move this box from here. So if I move here, again you need to change the location of this arrow also. There is no connection between the two. While when you come to PowerPoint, let me take one shape here. I'm taking any random shape here and I'll take another shape. Let's say this is a box. I'll take an arrow. Now once I take the arrow and come here, you can see there are 4 dots here, which if I connect with this, let me just increase the thickness of the line so that you can see. Now in case you move either this or this anywhere on the page, you can see the arrow still has a relation. So this was the first reason that why I don't use Microsoft Word. The second reason of not using Microsoft Word is because you cannot save the files. So let's say you have this diagram. Okay, let us assume that you have this diagram and you want to take this diagram further to some other software like PowerPoint, or you want to put it to your thesis or somewhere. Now if you select the diagram here, so like this, and let's say you group it. Now the only option to export this diagram is that you need to take a print screen. So you need to capture the screen using some software or either by print screen button. However, when you come to PowerPoint, if you select the entire image and press Ctrl G to group it, you have a direct option to save as picture. So once you click save as picture, you have different options, file formats available to save your file. So this was the second reason. The next reason why I don't use is you can't edit the shape. Now let's say you want to create your own custom shape, which is not possible in Word. That's why I can't show you here. But let's come to PowerPoint. Now, for example, you want to cut out some circular part in this. So like this, I'll ungroup it first. So what you can do, you can select this and come to merge shape and you can subtract it. This flexibility you don't have in Microsoft Word. The fourth option that why I don't like Microsoft Word for diagrams and figure is because resizing. So let's say you have some text here. I'll quickly write here, say start for loop. Now once you have this, if you reduce the size, you can see the text is no more readable. So that is another issue. While in PowerPoint, let's say you have some text here. I'll just quickly do Ctrl Z. Let's say you have start written here and you have written something, I'll just reduce its size, and you have written for loop. Okay, now I'll press Ctrl G. I can save this as an image. So let me just save as demo pic. Okay, so now in case you want to reduce this file size, you can come insert picture, this device. Since you saved that picture, so you have I've given the name as demo, so demo pic is here, and now you can stretch it or you can reduce the size. Everything goes in a way. So this was the fourth reason. And the last reason why I don't like Microsoft Word, the fifth reason why I don't like PowerPoint is, so let's say you have this diagram here and when you place it over here, so you can see it's going over your text. So what you have to do, you have to come to format option, wrap text, and you have to choose some options like tight or through or whatever. So this is one thing. But sometimes in some cases what happens, it can really create a big mess. Like you can see, it is free to go anywhere. However, if you create your diagram in PowerPoint, let me just delete this quickly. If you create your diagram in PowerPoint and save it as a picture, and then you can come to insert picture, this device, and I'll take the last picture which we saved is demo pic. So you can see it's behaving as a picture, so it's not going out of the boundary, it is staying within the boundary. So these are the 5 reasons, guys, why I don't use Microsoft Word to draw figures and diagrams, especially for academic purpose. I hope you liked the video. Let me know your thoughts in comment box and give me a thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.